Hey guys, Tom here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin filter in your Mercedes-Benz W166, aka a GL or an ML of this era, and then GLE and GLS up until 2018, 20, something like that, from 2012. So I'm going to show you on my own 2014 ML 550 right here. It's a very simple process. It will take you literally a couple minutes and you don't need any tools. I'm going to show you step by step, and the filters I used are in the description down below. So without further ado, let's pop the hood and let's get into it. Alright, so to pop the hood, just unlatch that red latch right there, and then you lift it up like that. Okay, so the cabin filter is right here on the right side of the hood. So all you have to do is to take this whole plastic cover and just rip it off. It's not attached by any screws, it's just snapped in like that. Now you can see this cabin air intake right here. So what you want to do is clip these tabs and it just falls out. This Mercedes has 3 cabin filters. The first one, the primary one, and then 2 secondary ones down in front of the blower. The filter's soft. You just grab it by a corner and you just pull it out just like that. Now, if you look at the air filter as I'm taking it out, you see the airflow arrows. This is the OEM that's been with the truck before. If you buy the OEM replacement or a higher quality one, you will definitely have these arrows right here. But now if you look at my new air filter that I bought, there's no arrows or any marks anywhere. This is what happens when you buy a cheap one from Amazon. So you want to check how is the old air filter seated in the assembly. So as you can see, the airflow, that means the arrows are pointing towards the truck because the air is coming in and then it's coming through this filter into the inside of the cabin. And you see these tabs right here. So safe to assume that this one, the newer one, even though it doesn't have any airflow arrows, will match these tabs and go in like this. But before we get onto that, we have to take out the inner ones. So as you can see, you have 2 more inner air filters just before the blown motor inside the cabin. So we can just squish them, just take it out. You can just pull them out just like that. So this is the first one. This one should be easier now. And this is the second one. So as you can see, again, you have an arrow facing down, which means the filter should be facing down in the assembly like that. Right. My cheap Amazon filters, again, don't have any arrows. So you can have a look at how the bottom and the top of the filter looks like. So this is the top. This is the bottom. You see these holes? That's the bottom of the new one. So even if you don't have any arrows, don't panic, just have a look at how it was in the truck before, or just use my video as a guidance. So these gaps right here, they face down. Let's just fit it in. So again, these gaps facing downwards. Okay, one is in there, and then again, facing downwards, just like that. Nice and done. New filters in the airbox. Now, again, the old one has the airflow arrow like that. So the airflow is coming inside the truck, and you can see these tabs are pointing in as well. So the new one will be facing this way. The airbox got these 2 tabs on, and then there are 2 holes on the bottom that you just slide it in. And then just put the tabs back in over here. And that's it. Okay, now that that's back in place, we just have to snap this back into its position, and that's it. All right, guys, as you can see, it was very easy, wasn't it? Just a couple minutes, no tools. These are the old filters. You can responsibly throw them away. Thank you very much for watching this video. If I helped you out, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about me and my cars, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section below. I'll be very happy to answer you. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.